Now that I got the fuse holder all connected here, I'm gonna try to start the car up, and I'm gonna turn on the system and then show the after footage as soon as I get the subwoofer in. Be right back with you. I got a song here on my CD player. It's a Pink Panther bass. I said I'm pretty sure it ain't got no copyright on this one, so I'm gonna play it for you, and then you guys tell me what you guys think in the comments. Well, that's going to conclude what I'm going to be doing for today. Next video, I'm going to install the alternator. So I'm going to pick a day. It's going to be good enough to come out and get that done. Hopefully you guys are subscribed and leave me a comment. Thank you guys for all your support. Bye.